Absolute value. The distance from 0 on a number line. The absolute value of -6 equals 6. Oftentimes, students first learn that absolute value means that a number cannot be negative. While this is true, it is a simplistic view, when the true understanding is far more interesting. Absolute value is the distance of a number from 0 on the number line. For review, a number line is a line with 0 in the middle, positive numbers to the right, and negative numbers to the left. In the case of a vertical number line, the y-axis, there is a 0 in the middle, positive numbers are up and negative numbers are down. If we look at the horizontal number line, parentheses, the x-axis, and parentheses, and focus on -6, we then ask, how far is -6 from 0 on the number line? The answer is 6 units. Recognize that distance cannot be negative. Rather, only direction can be negative. So if we start at 0 on the number line and proceed to -6, we have traveled 6 units in the negative direction. So distance is absolute value, and direction is defined by positive to the right and negative to the left. Absolute value is a short way of saying that distance cannot be negative. The symbol for absolute value is 2 vertical bars, with the number in question between the 2 bars. Vertical bar, -6 vertical bar, means the absolute value of -6, or how far is -6 from 0 on the number line, which is 6 units. Notice that the absolute value of +6 is asking what is the distance between +6 and 0 on the number line, and it is also 6 units. Absolute value is the distance from 0 on a number line. Antonyms: direction. Related words: direction, distance, number line.